Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off display current activity as a status message on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile, and now here click privacy and safety, and here as you see you will find display current activity as a status message. Click like this and this will be turned off, and that's how to turn off display current activity as a status message on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.